ये देखें गौर से जरा, what is this? How many of you saw a beautiful woman in it? And how many of you actually know that there is no beautiful woman in it? How many of you know that there is no beautiful woman in it? But how many of you perceived a beautiful woman in it? Ladies and gentlemen, this is life. The 10% of it is a beautiful woman, and we must perceive that beautiful woman. We must be perceptors of beauty which Allah has created in this world. But actually it is not. That beautiful woman is just to perceive its impression for a moment, but it is not to fall in love with this woman. You will not going to get anything except frustration if you fall in love with this woman, because there is no beautiful woman. Actually there are flowers and petals. Please remember, actual life is flowers and petal, but please do perceive a beautiful woman in it as well. That is what is the normal reaction to the life. Whatever happened to you, this may be a painful experience, but just a perception level. Then comes the logic, then comes your critical thinking, then comes your strategy to handle it, and then you handle it with that agony and pain which was associated with it, which was only the emotional reaction. It does not exist actually, it is an emotional reaction only. Or you pursue a beautiful part of it, and that's it. Just have a perception and go ahead with the logical part of it. That is what is the basic requirement of a good influential leadership. Working on it. Don't stop at a beautiful woman and don't stop at a painful perception on both ends. जिंदगी आपको बहुत एक painful perception दे सकती है. It's only perception. In order to highlight, I would like to give you a little parable. There was a gentleman, he was living abroad. He came, when he was coming to, after 3 months, he was coming to his own country. He had 2-3 big suitcases, and when he was coming, he realized there is something wrong in his sector where his house is, something wrong. And suddenly he found some smoke there. थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ा तो 2-3 बंदे भाग भूग के आ रहे थे, तो वो और परेशान हुआ. तो अचानक उसका एक भाई आया और उसने कहा, भाईजान पता है मोहल्ले में आग लग गई है. एकदम ना वो परेशान हो गया. अचानक उसका भाई आया, उसने कहा, भाईजान आग सिर्फ हमारे घर में ही लगी है. वो एकदम परेशान हो गया, हमारे घर में आग लगी है. अचानक उसका अगला एक भाई अगली गली में करीब, उसने कहा, भाईजान आपको पता? हाँ यार पता लगा हमारे घर में आग लगी है. कहते, भाईजान आग तो घर में ही लगी है, लेकिन ये हुआ है कि अब्बा जी ने आपके आने से 15 दिन पहले घर बेच दिया था. उसने कहा, अच्छा अच्छा घर बेच दिया था. एंड सडनली शी स्टार्टेड एंजॉयिंग दैट फायर. वो एक ना बगोलों को यूं देखना शुरू हो गया. एक तो थोड़ी देर पहले ड्रॉन था, परेशान था. अचानक आगे से उसकी ना छोटी बहन भागी कि भाईजान कहा, हाँ मुझे पता है घर में आग लगी है, मगर अब्बा जी ने घर पहले बेच दिया था. उसने कहा, बेच तो दिया था भाईजान, लेकिन अभी पेमेंट नहीं हुई थी. उसने कहा, अच्छा अभी पेमेंट नहीं हुई थी. एंड सडनली ही अगेन बिकम अ मिजरेबल पर्सन. ही बिकेम अ मिजरेबल पर्सन. नाउ दिस मिजरी, this pleasure, this satisfaction, this dissatisfaction is nothing physical. It's only a perception. It's only a shadow. कभी आपने देखा फिल्म चल रही होती है, लोग रो रहे हो, या अल्लाह. कभी आपने नोट किया? कुछ भी. और आपको पता है कपड़ा है, एक छोटा सा कपड़ा है, उस कपड़े को कुछ भी नहीं है, लाइट ऑफ करेंगे कुछ भी नहीं होगा. It's nothing. It's gone. No. And we know Shahrukh, he is living a very happy life. Ishwarya Rai has got a real husband. She's got a daughter too. Her father-in-law is a very influential and mother-in-law very influential people. She has no such problem. But you are crying. And that's what we do with the life as well. Please remember, 10% of it has to be there. और अगर आप कहें कुछ भी नहीं है, बिल्कुल कुछ भी नहीं, ये कोई कागज के ऊपर चल रहा है, this is again not very good. There is a perception part of it, but only 10%. 90% is the real life. तो आप ये थोड़ा सा कल से प्रैक्टिस करना शुरू कर दें. आपको कल भी चैलेंज जब आएगा, चैलेंज का एक परसेप्शन आएगी आपके पास, बट इट हैज टू बी 10%. उसको देखें, उसको करें.